Pogren FBS. This is my M4, which is my go-to rifle, and my go-to pistols right here, my CZ99. We'll start with the rifle. This is a dual fuel Scout 600 light, and it's connected to my dual pressure pad here for light and laser. The laser is a Steiner D-ball. It's an awesome little freaking laser. It has a high visible laser as well as a high IR laser, so it's two different types of lasers. You can use another one for night vision. This is the CAT quad rail. I put some Magpul covers on it, and right here is this Haley Strategic mount that mounts and clips right into the CAC rail, or any rail that has like circles on it. So it pushes the flashlight out. So only rail space I use is the top rail. That's it for the pad and the laser. So it's not all gummed up. This is a Trijicon ACOG 4x32 military style scope for the M4. It also has the LaRue mount. The LaRue mounts are also used in the military as well. It has the Knight's Armament backup iron sights. It says USMC engraved in them. They're pretty cool. Raptor style charging handle. It's not a legit Raptor charging handle, but it's the same thing. It's awesome. I got the Echo 2 trigger in there, the K&S Precision, anti-roll pins, whole grip. I gotta have that. I love that. And then the magazine insert is a Daniel Defense magazine, the DD Mag. It's a 32 round magazine, one of the best magazines in my opinion. Alright, it is a little dirty, but it is a covered bolt, and when it's covered, it's really easy to just wipe that stuff off. So it's a very nice bolt, self-lubricated bolt, but I still use oil as well to keep it lubricated. This has a regular collapsible buttstock and a Vickers Blue Force sling, which is awesome. Standard A2 14.5 inch barrel, pin and welded. Oh, I almost forgot up front, it does have a YHM flip down, flip up iron sight system with bayonet lug. And pretty much that concludes my rifle. Now let's move on to my pistol. It's a CZ99, made in Serbia by Zastava. It's in the 9mm. It's a compact model. The full-size model is just like an inch bigger. It's not that much longer. So I just went with the compact because that's what they had. It does have a Hogue grip as well. Very nice. Fits my fingers well. I get a good high purchase on there as well without getting any bite because it has this beaver tail here, so it's very nice. The sights aren't night sights, they're just standard 3-dot sights, but they seem to work very well. I got 4 magazines with it. I can't remember how many came with it. I think it was just a couple, maybe 3. I don't know. Maybe it was 2. I can't remember, to be honest. But another accessory that I have for this is the Forbes holster. This is a modified holster. Originally come with a paddle, but then I put this male locking system for the Black Hawk female lock system, so that way I can easily put this on my drop leg holster, or I can put this on my Molly configuration belt. So that pretty much concludes my go-to rifle and its accessories, my go-to pistol and its accessories. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, I'm doing more videos like this, as well as military videos, my lifestyle there, as well as firearms in the military, firearms out of the military. I do tons of cool videos, so if you guys like watching this kind of stuff, subscribe, like the video to help me out, and stay tuned for more videos. I hope to make some more videos for you guys out there. So till I do that, make sure you guys have a nice day, and that you guys always stay safe.